Troop gang gon' crash the show. I was never one to care for theatricals. Look, keep that acting role, cause what I'm on right now, this magical. I'ma take charge of my youth right now. You can nickname me chaperone. I'm back to keeping shit kosher. Tell me to roll through the roller.